Hi there guys, this is Sam with the Moto Yard, and this right here is my Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650. Let me show you around. This right here is pretty much my daily rider, which I ride every day. In the past 2 years, I've put around 16,000 miles on this bike. So certainly gets a lot of abuse, and you can kind of tell because it is a little bit dirty. But there are certainly some additions to this bike that make life every day much easier. And today's highlight are these bags. These are the Viking bags, larger 28-liter bags, which are a fantastic addition to my motorcycle. I think they look fantastic, especially with the little tail tidy there. It looks really, really good. I like this design that I chose, and it has this little kind of bulge over here, which actually is a pocket, but it has stuffing inside that came from Viking bags that I just kept because I like the little poking look over here. And it really matches well the black Viking leather with the rest of the bike. So let me just kind of show you around the cool little features that stand out most for me. Number one is the mounting. The mounting was super, super easy, and it would be even easier if I didn't have the little sissy bar over here, because the provided hardware, the actual bolts over here, were simply just not long enough to accommodate the spacer right over there, the sissy bar, and this connector. So I had to get some bolts. Unfortunately, it seems like they're rusting a little bit. That's absolutely nothing to do with Viking bags. The bags are fantastic. They're just big enough to fit a lunchbox right in here. You can lock the bags right over here. So this flap won't do anything. It won't even open up, which is good for security. And then you have a lock over there, which comes with obviously the provided keys necessary. Now the bag itself, as you can see, it kind of goes inside a little bit. So you have a little bit more space. Close that up. And here is the latch that you can pull or pull on the strap to release the bags, which, by the way, are very securely mounted onto the motorcycle. Now, just to kind of highlight from the other side over here, you can tell that the shape of the actual bag really complements the shape of the fender, which is very important because the Super Meteor or any Royal Enfield product here in the United States isn't really supported by a lot of aftermarket companies. I could have gotten the original bags that Royal Enfield offers, which is quite expensive. I prefer this option. It simply looks a little bit better in my opinion, a little different. Not many people have them. And I am very happy that such a large, reputable company like Vikingbags actually supports a product for this brand. Over there, you can tell I have a Bullet 350, which I ride quite a bit a lot. Once they develop a mounting system for that bike, I'm surely going to get it. Pretty sure those bags would be transferable on that bike as well. Now, since it is a daily rider of mine, and this side of the bag, I have a couple of important things for me. Documentation, toolkit, little spray, and since the bikes sit outside over here, I do get a little condensation on the seat. So having a nice little cloth to wipe everything down, throw it in here, and then leave it outside when I get to work is very convenient. All in all, very happy with the product, the quality, and customer support. I have received one of these brackets additionally because I thought the other one was a little malfunctioned. It was wobbling, rattling a little bit too much, and customer support came in clutch. They replied very quickly and sent me another one ASAP, and I received it in a couple of days. Again, install was very, very simple and could not be happier. Folks, thanks for sticking around, and I hope my opinion helps make your decision on the Viking bags. I, 10 out of 10, recommend this product. Thank you, and again, Sam here at the Moto Yard. Take care.